Alright guys, hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Chango and today we're doing something that we don't normally do on the channel. We're actually going to be doing a little bit of PC swapping. Now, as you guys have seen in my channel, my videos, maybe even on Instagram, this is my old PC, which has now been, recycled and given down to Kif the Beast over here, my stepson. We have had these PCs for quite a while now, but I think it's time for a little upgrade even during this quarantine. And for obvious reasons, we're not upgrading any kind of GPU right now, but we are all doing nothing but a simple swap today. So this is his old PC. This is my PC that currently has an i7 9700K, which is really not much of a big deal, but it's gonna be a big deal for somebody his age. So we're passing it on down. Everything that's gonna be that's in this PC is gonna be going into his new PC. But we're not gonna be using this case. Today we're actually gonna be using the MSI Gungnir 11DR, which is quite beautiful actually. So let's get started. All right, guys. So we have the everything connected except for the power supply unit. Nothing is powered on. Nothing has direct power. The AIO needs to be connected as well to the motherboard. What we did end up doing, as you guys can see the configuration here, the GPU is connected right here to the radiator, the 120 millimeter radiator that it has. We have our 360 AO just looping around, looking like a little ram horn right on in there. He likes it. It ended up being the best case scenario right here. Let's just clean this bad boy up a little bit. Got fingerprints all over it from installing. Oh, get the middle still. You want to go ahead and just use microfiber towels, guys, just to create from getting any kind of lint or anything else on these parts. They will rest and settle on there. Plus, it's the best way to pick up everything as much as you can. It's looking really good, guys. I'm actually really liking the all black stealth, look, minus of course the AIO, but he says it's fine. So moving on, let's go ahead and see if we can power everything back on, connect it right. Cable management will be looking all right. And let's not forget, guys, this was as well at one point my PC, and as a big Dragon Ball Z fan, I had to go ahead and get V1Tech's backplate. It looks pretty sweet when it's lit up, so we have to go ahead and connect this as well to the back of the power supply unit. It looks pretty sweet, so let's go ahead and just hope for the best. All right, guys, and we're finally back now with the PC finally being done. Now, it did take some time to rewire everything in the back. We're not going to show the cable management because we had to add a couple of things last minute as well too. Christopher wanted to end up going with the Deepcool MF 120 millimeter fans on the top just to give a little bit more aesthetic look, a little bit of RGB as well too. We have three fans in the front as well too that came with the case. One case that came in the back that's going to be cooling off the AIO for the GPU. And yeah, pretty exciting stuff. So let's go ahead and power this bad boy on and see what we ended up with. All right, very nice all around. It looks like everything's working. We have everything powered on. We have our GPU V1Tech backplate lit up. We got the Broly theme going on right there a little bit. We have everything working as far as RGB, fans. Connectivity is 100% a go. We haven't connected it yet to a monitor, so we will see how that's going, but everything should be in the system already. His operating system is already on the SSD that we installed in the back. And yeah, does it look good? Yeah. Does it look better than the first one you got?
Yeah, I like this one better.
Yeah, so this one's a little bit better. We were gonna go with a different case. I was gonna go with the NZXT 510, I believe, 510i Elite. But since I have this 360 millimeter radiator, I decided to just go with a case that actually fits that, because that Elite NZXT case does not fit a 360 millimeter radiator. So all around looking pretty good, but we're not done yet, guys, and we know what time it is. So let's get to that point. All right, guys, so here we go. The final touch. Christopher's finally gonna do his first peel off, and let's get into it. Oh! All right, we got the front panel as well too. One last touch, guys. Let's go ahead and take that off. Very nice and easy. Wow, that looks good.